Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Jennifer and I'm a guest reviewer for Wig Studio One. Today's video is going to be a review on a brand new wig for spring 2023 from Ellen Wille. And this is the wig here. We're going to talk about it in just a minute. And I think it might be a new color, if I'm not mistaken, because I don't remember seeing this color. So we'll talk about the color, we're going to talk about the cap and the style and maybe a couple ways to style it as well. Thank you so much to Wig Studio One for sending me this wig in exchange for my honest review. I am one of their guest reviewers, so you've probably seen a few videos that I've done in the past. I also have my own YouTube channel, and you can just find me at Jennifer Martinez and maybe put Jennifer Martinez Wigs or something like that in the search bar, and you can find my channel as well. If you haven't checked out the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper support group on Facebook, I highly recommend it. There are so many people in there that can really help you if you have any questions about wigs, any problems, maybe something's not fitting right, you can ask questions. So definitely go and check that out. All of the links will be down in the description box for you, so be sure that you check it out. Also, like this video and subscribe to the Wig Studio One YouTube channel, because we do tons of reviews for you guys on new wigs, old wigs, everything in between. So definitely subscribe so that you don't miss out on anything. So let's go ahead and get into the review for this cutie little style called NOLA from Ellen Wille. This is in the color Toffee Brown. So this is part of the Monika collection, which is what they call the high energy collection. So I think they're just kind of easy, fun wigs for you, and this one definitely is. It's a bob meets beachy waves, so it has a little bit of texture going on. I'll show you the back in just a minute, and it's definitely that bob length. So if you like that length, that's probably not going to hit your clothes, so that it doesn't fray really quickly like some wigs do. This would be a good one for you, because you can see that it's not really hitting anything, right? So it's going to stay looking nicer for much, much longer. This one does have a lace front and a left mono part, and I'll show you that when we look at the cap. So there is, I would say, like a little bit of permatease right in this area, because the mono part is right here, and this area here is like the rose lace. So there's a little bit of permatease there, but I feel like if you didn't have it there, it would be just totally flat on your head. So I think that you need it there. As far as the rest, I don't feel any permatease. There may be, like, some people call it pre-tease, so it's just like little coarse frizzy fibers at the root. So again, that's going to disguise the cap on this. So it's not like, I mean, you can see I don't have, any permatease. It's not poofy, but that just keeps it off the cap, so you aren't seeing that cap underneath, because you don't want to see that. Now this one I literally just took out of the box maybe 10 minutes ago, and I've been setting up, so I haven't done much to it. I can tell you that it is wanting to fall in my face here. That is a very easy fix. I just haven't done it because I've only had it on for a few minutes. But if you just take this front portion, clip it back, and then spray it with water, spray it with some synthetic safe hairspray, and just let it sit there. So maybe an hour, 2 hours, overnight, whatever you want to do. That will really help keeping that back. Also, you can just massage that lace there so that you can turn the fibers. The fibers are sewn into that lace, so sometimes there's you have to manipulate them so that they're going to go the way that you want them to go. Now I'm going to pull this forward just a little bit. It's kind of slipping on me. I don't have it pulled in very tight, but Ellen Wille always fits me pretty good. It fits petite to average. So if you have a larger head circumference, it might not be as comfortable for you, but petite to average definitely is a good fit with Ellen Wille. There we go. There is that lace front. You can kind of see some of my hair underneath there. And the mono part is there. So that means that you can part this anywhere within that mono part. Let me go ahead and show you NOLA from all sides. Let's talk about these measurements. So the front is 8 inches. So this bang area here is 8 inches. The crown is 9.25, so 9.25 from the crown down. The sides are 7.5, and then the nape back here is 4 inches. This only weighs 2.9 ounces. Super light, perfect for spring and summer, especially if you live in a climate like I do, East Texas. It's humid, it's hot, and we don't want a lot of stuff on our necks. So this would be perfect for that, but also perfect for when you get into the fall winter and maybe you do have those, you know, like bulky jackets, and it's gonna just barely graze those probably. You won't have to worry so much about the friction. So I think that this is really a good year-round pick for you. Let's go ahead and talk about this really pretty color, Toffee Brown Shaded. Toffee Brown Shaded, and it's 8/30/27. That's the color code, so let's break it down. The 8 is just gonna be a medium brown. Okay, a medium brown, that's an 8, kind of like right in the middle there. And then we have the 30, which is a light auburn color, and then that 27 is a dark strawberry blonde. So the way this color description is this. It's a medium brown blended with light auburn and dark strawberry blonde. You can see that it's really well blended. There aren't any just real, you know, thick, chunky highlights in your face. So I think that that's really, really nice. Let's quickly look at the cap. You can see there's an extended nape with Velcro adjusters. There is a beautiful lace front there, and it is a mono left side part with rose lace. There's a little bit of permatease in there. Nice and stretchy. It will definitely fit a petite to average size head circumference best. Something that you might have been picking up on is the kind of flyaway fibers here. And there's a reason for that. Ellen Wille's fibers are pretty fine. They're pretty fine. So the finer fibers are, the more kind of you're going to get those flyaways. And so that's what this is. If you use a little bit of Peace Out cream, genre Peace Out cream, or some Tressolure wig wax, or even just some hairspray for synthetic hair, that will help you out a lot. And it will calm those flyaways down for you. If you're anything like me, you don't like to have those in your face and in your eyes. Those are the things that I do to help me with that, so that it's not bothering me all day. So what can you do with this wig? Now, I would say you don't have to do too much. You do have the lace front, so you can pull it off your face. So you can pull it off your face into a little bump it if you want, just to keep it out of your face. I think a little headband might be really cute. Let me show you glasses. I put my glasses underneath. So here's the ear tab. I put my glasses underneath the ear tabs. You may not do that. Everybody probably wears them different, but just fine there. And then on top of the head, perfect. Now hang tight to the very end. I'm going to take you outside to show you this really pretty color out in the sunlight. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and say bye to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Wig Studio One for sending me this wig to review for them. And I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye.